Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I will share about benefits of using FLP Aloe Berry Nectar. So FLP Aloe Berry Nectar is a health drink that is made with pure stabilized aloe vera gel and it is delicious flavor of cranberries and apples. Here are 10 benefits of using FLP Aloe Berry Nectar. It supports immune system. FLP aloe berry nectar is rich in antioxidants which can help boost your immune system and fight off harmful free radicals. It is also beneficial for digestive health. The drink contains enzymes that help break down food in your digestive system, reducing bloating and other digestive discomfort. It is also beneficial for hydration. FLP aloe berry nectar is a great source of hydration, helping to maintain optimal fluid level in your body. It also promotes healthy skin. Aloe vera has natural healing properties and can be beneficial for the skin. FLP aloe berry nectar can help promote healthy and glowing skin. So it is very beneficial, helpful for women because it promotes healthy skin, hydration, and for digestive health also. And it is also have in anti-inflammatory properties. Means aloe vera has anti-inflammatory properties which can help reduce inflammation in the body and relieve pain. It also helpful for boost energy. FLP aloe berry nectar is a great source of natural energy and can help you feel more alert and focused. There are so many customers who is using aloe berry nectar and feeling very energetic after using this aloe berry nectar. It is also helpful for weight management. This drink can help with weight management as it is low in calories and it can help you feel full for longer. Apart from this, it is also helpful for supports joint health. FLP aloe berry nectar contains glucosamine, which can help support joint health and reduce the risk of joint related issues. Apart from this, it is also helpful for cardiovascular health. This drink contains natural compound that can help promote healthy circulation and cardiovascular health. It supports oral health too. Aloe vera can help promote healthy teeth and gums, and FLP aloe berry nectar can be a great addition to your oral health routine. So, if you want to buy this original FLP aloe berry nectar product, then you can connect with me directly on my WhatsApp number. And if you do not want to contact me or call me, then you can directly buy this from link in first link in my description box. So that's all about today's video. If you like this video, you can like, comment, and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.